What's up, brother? Want to hear how my exhaust sounds?
No. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Chopper, brother.
I kind of want to do this conversion.
Nice, nice, nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Look at this. I gotta have you in the front for this.
They hit me going this way around this corner late at night, and I flew that way, and I came out of my body.
Black flies.
We still do with all that traffic, you know what I mean?
This is a 2023. My friend has the, he has the 22. Yeah, low rider S.
Yeah.
Oh
It's between that or this. Yeah. But I would want this simply because the sport front end. Gotcha. I mean, companies make, like, I don't know if you've heard of Upland. Yeah, yeah. Like, this bearing does.
I already know, cause I found out from them. There's no chance for you and me. Oh, we can never be. Hold on, it'll make you sad about it. Tell me you love me.
try Emilin's Kawasaki Ninja 400 here. First time.
You're the first person that's rode my bike aside from me.
Okay, so to turn it on, wait, that's on already. Ugh, it's so quiet. It's first gear.
It's like a baby.
I'm gonna stall it, watch. Oh, I'm
Yeah,
good.
you got it.
Where's the shift on this? Let's see, where's the brakes? Okay. Oh, the security's here. I didn't even see them. Swing it around. Can I go this way? Nope, this is one way. What am I doing? Okay, very smooth.
What?
Oh, I forgot you're filming. Let me go over here. I'm gonna swing it back around. See. Woo! Yeah! Okay, let's see.
That was a good shot.
See the lean on this. Damn, I think I need like a good straightaway to to go really fast and see how it really handles. Cause I don't want to go too crazy. Oh. I'm trying to engine brake on this. Oh no, your bike is very smooth.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's very smooth. Okay, here I come. Woo! Okay. So,
What's the verdict?
the verdict is it rides smooth. I do wish it has a loud pipe on it so I can feel the rumble.
Yeah.
But it does, because I sat on Linda's bike before when I was riding her Ninja H2, and it feels just like the Ninja. I like how I can put both my feet down here.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the other bikes I had to lean, and yeah, this is a very good seating position. I like it. It's good. I wouldn't mind to go like up to 6th gear. So, but
Yeah.
it does have power. It has speed. It has pretty good speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. All right. Ugh. But yeah, just you can't really tell much, I guess, around the parking lot. I have to like go on a long strip.
Yeah.